Facebook retargeting ads, what are they and how should you use them to generate more leads and more sales? Today we break the topic wide open and zero in on 4 custom audiences to leverage when you're running Facebook retargeting ads to produce monstrous results. Hey, it's Jaime. If you're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, so let's get the definitions out of the way first. Retargeting, what exactly is that? What does it mean to run retargeting ads? Running retargeting ads means showing your ad to the same person over and over and over again so as to increase the likelihood of them becoming a lead for you or becoming a sale. Retargeting really is that simple. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. However, let's think about it for a second. When you do retargeting, where are you going to spend your money more effectively? Is it retargeting and showing your ads to the same person over and over again without having a notion if they're going to buy or not buy? Or is it more advantageous and more effective if you retarget the people that show at least a level of interest? And this really isn't a trick question. Where is your budget better used? Is it better used advertising to an audience that you don't necessarily know of their intentions? Or is it better used retargeting and remarketing to the people that have at least seen you and engaged with you in some capacity? Now, of course, the answer is retargeting the people that showed a level of interest in whatever you had to offer, regardless if you're offering a service or offering a product. So conceptually, I think both of us can agree that that's the strategy, but how do we actually implement that whenever we're running Facebook ads? So this is where we get to Facebook custom audiences, because Facebook gives you the ability to curate a list of people that actually engaged with you in some capacity. That is powerful. So today I want to give you the 4 custom audiences you need to create today, this very second, so you can maximize your Facebook advertising. Even if you have no intention of using them this week, next month, next year, you need to create them today. All right, so the first custom audience you need to create today revolves around lead forms. Because you see, whenever you run a lead generation campaign, you are asked to create a lead form, very similar to Facebook's version of a landing page. You are creating that lead form, and we all know that people will click on your ads, but not everybody will submit their contact information. So Facebook gives you the ability to create a custom audience around those people that clicked on your ad, landed on your lead form, but didn't submit their contact information. So you know that they had a level of interest by clicking on your ad, but for whatever reason, they didn't submit their contact information to you. So it's super powerful to be able to only market to those people that had a level of interest to begin with. So that's why you need to create a lead form custom audience today. Don't delay. Now, here's one super important detail about the longevity of this custom audience. You have the ability to retarget the people that landed on your lead form for 90 days, and that doesn't work retroactively. So that means that whenever you create that lead form custom audience today, 90 days from now, you're still able to retarget the people that are landing on your ads this very second. So don't miss this 90-day window because it's super powerful. And the more that you advertise using the lead generation campaign, remember, it's one of the 11 campaign objectives with Facebook. The more that you use that lead generation campaign, the larger your custom audience becomes. And the second custom audience you need to focus on today is the video views custom audience. You have the ability of creating a custom audience around the videos that you produce. You're able to retarget the people that viewed 3 seconds of your video, 25% of your video, 75% of the video, or the entire video. You can get that specific. So that means that whenever you upload a video and somebody watches the entire content of that video, you're able to remarket to them specifically. That is incredibly powerful. So think about it. Somebody that watches your entire video has a different level of engagement as opposed to the people that watched it maybe 3 seconds. So wouldn't it stand to reason that you want to remarket to those people because they saw enough value in your content that they actually finished watching the entire thing? And regardless if you're in the service business or in the product business, you have built trust equity with that viewer because you were presenting something in that video that resonated with them. So you have so much trust equity with them that they're more likely to do business with you. And the third custom audience to create revolves around your website. You want to create a custom audience of people that landed on your website because that shows a different level of engagement and different level of intentionality. You need to have your Facebook pixel installed on your website. And if you have no idea what I just mentioned, that what is the Facebook pixel, if that's running across your mind, that is okay. I have a video right here that's going to help you install your Facebook pixel so you don't miss a beat. And the beauty of this custom audience is that you're able to get so specific that you're able to select just one page from your website. You could even get creative and target the people that visited a certain page from your website but didn't visit another page. That's incredibly specific and powerful for you. Now, here's the thing. The retargeting window with your website custom audience is 180 days. So it's 6 months. It is a little bit longer than the form window, but not as long as your Facebook page or video views custom audiences. So just keep that in mind. You need to create a custom audience of everybody that has engaged with your Facebook business page, regardless if they just liked a post or if they saw you as an ad or if they engaged with your Facebook page in another capacity. You want to create this custom audience because you have the ability to retarget them for 365 days. That is an entire year. And as I mentioned a couple of seconds ago, this 365-day window applies to the video views custom audiences that we just covered. So in summary, when it comes to custom audiences retargeting windows, we're talking about lead form custom audiences that last for 90 days. We're talking about video views, which last 365 days. We're talking about website custom audiences, which is 180 days. And we're talking about the Facebook business page, which is 365 days. Now, here's the thing. Regardless if you're spending $100 or $100,000 in marketing, you need to create these custom audiences today. And beyond that, you actually want to use them because they are extremely powerful and will increase your conversions tenfold. At this point, we've all heard about email databases and we understand their importance. But at this point, we also need to focus on the online retargeting databases. You have the ability to retarget the people that have engaged with you in the past, so you can be everywhere in their eyes. So don't forget that. Yes, email databases are incredibly important, but so is your online presence. And Facebook gives you the ability to be everywhere with these custom audiences, so don't neglect them. Well, now that we know the 4 custom audiences to use for retargeting, it's time to actually launch an ad. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.